Guys, MG Mods back with another video. Today's not going to be a long one. I'm not going to keep you for long, but today I'm going to do a quick tutorial video on how to replace your cabin air filter. This one is from Denso. Oh, excuse me. This one's from Denso, and I got this off Rock Auto. I have yet to replace my cabin air filter in my car, so I'm gonna get into it and show y'all guys how to do it. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're here in front the passenger side near the glove box. So the first thing you want to do is open your glove box, take all your stuff out your glove box, move that stuff to the side. Alright, second step is there's these push pins here on both sides. So what you want to do is you want to lift your glove box up just a little bit so it don't like hang down. You don't want it to hang down, and you want to push them out. See, it was like that, and you lift up, push them out, and see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, so it just comes out like that, and that's one of the little push pin holders. Put that to the side. Then there's one over here. Lift up, push out, and then try to wiggle this out somehow. With me holding the camera at the same time. Easier if you have two hands. But alright, so I got this one out now. Alright, so then now you want to slowly lower your glove box. Okay, so now if we look inside, we have this right here. This right here is where your cabin air filter is. So it's a door right here. What you want to do is you want to push the lever here. All right, I had to set my camera down, make it easier for me to use two hands. So what I was saying was there's something that you can push in. The button to open this door is right here. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's literally right here. You push it inwards this way. So you want to push and then pull back, and it comes out. It's a trap door, or just a door, whatever you want to call it. And behind this rests your cabin air filter boxes. There's two of them, one here, and then there's one you have to slide over. So there's that. So there's a little tab here to slide your cabin filter box out, and that comes out. Oh wow, these were really dirty. I haven't yet to replace these, like I said, y'all. This is real dirty. Oh my gosh. Long overdue. Okay, so y'all can see the dirt and debris that got in there. There's a lot more twigs down here. But anyways, so you got the second one. You want to slide over like that, pull this out. Wow, just crazy. That's a lot of freaking debris. Wow. And I see some more stuff in there. If I can reach it. Okay. Go ahead and clean these off. take these old ones out. I'm gonna show you how to do that. All right, so we're gonna take this old one out, put that to the side, and now it's just a tray. Go ahead and open the new box. It should supply you with 2 of them. That's one. Look how clean that one looks. So white. These are the differences. You can definitely tell which one is used and which one is brand new. So, you want to look for your arrows, where the airflow goes. And then on your tray, it has the arrows as well. Let me see if y'all can see that. Right there. Yeah, right there is the arrow, and it's pointing down. So you want to make sure they're matching on the arrows. And you do not need any tools to do this job. All you need is your hands and the new cabin air filter boxes. So that's like so. It pushes down. Make sure it bottoms out to the back. And that's one of them. We go ahead and do the second one. Take it out like so. Grab the second one out of here. Make sure the arrows are pointing down. All right, 2 brand new air filters, cabin air filter in the boxes. So now we are gonna go back to the car, and I'll meet y'all there. Welcome back, you guys. Back to the passenger glove box area. Excuse me. And we're back to the passenger glove box area where I got my 2 cabin filter boxes trays. And so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put it back in reverse order. So where the tab is closest to the middle, okay, so this one right here will go in first where the tab is, because it'll go in, I want to say like this, where the 2 tabs are in the center. So what you want to do is push this one in like so, slide it over, boom. Okay, now you got your next one. I want to say, oh, also make sure your arrows are pointing down too. So this one was pointing down, and that slides over, and then you want to put this one in. Boom, that's it. So your tabs are facing in the center, and let's see if y'all can see that. They're right here in there. So now you want to grab your tray or your door, and it should just snap right back in, or you gotta put it into the groove here, and then boom, you hear the click. As simple as that. Then you can put your glove box. Dang, I'm having a hard time talking. Put your glove box back in with your pins here. So make sure you lift up. I probably should go ahead and put this y'all guys down so I can use 2 hands again. Be trying to do too much. And then you got your push pins. You want to put back in these holes here. So once you lift up and it's up in there enough, you're going to snap it back into place like so. You hear that click, boom. Your glove box is sitting off on one. I'm going to put the second one in, same step, lift up, put it through the hole, and it should snap right in, boom, and your glove box is sitting flush. And then all you have to do now is put your stuff back in your glove box, if you have anything, like owner's manuals and all that good stuff. And click. All right, guys, so that's the finish of that tutorial. It's pretty simple. Like, wouldn't even take you no more than between 5-10 minutes to do it. It's despite if I wasn't making this video, but anyways, yeah, so I used again a Denso brand I got the part number 453-6054. If y'all guys are interested in picking up this Denso cabin air filter, they work great. I want to find out at least. And the quality looks really good, so everything is pretty much plug and play. Nice fitment into the boxes. Can't go wrong with Denso, made in Japan. And I also got this off Rock Auto. Forgot to mention that again. So with that being said, y'all guys could see that the cabin air filters in here were really bad. Denso, or I don't know if it's Honda recommends, but Denso recommends that you replace these cabin air filter boxes 1 year or 12,000 miles, whatever one comes first. So definitely looking at this, for doing this for my first time, definitely will take this more seriously on the replacement, because wow, that was a lot of dirt and debris that got into that old cabin air filter box. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all want to see more content, and make sure to hit that notification bell if y'all guys want to stay up to date and alert on my new drops or my new videos. And thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.